Hey, hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to make a video lesson using QuickTime. So, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to my QuickTime icon down here. It's that blue circle, and right click it. And the first thing I want to do is do a screen recording. So I'm going to go New Screen Recording. And I got different options here. You can either just do portion of the screen or the whole screen. I'm going to do the whole screen for today. And then I'm going to hit record. And now it's recording. And now I'm going to go back to the QuickTime player. And this time I'm going to right click it, do a new movie recording. And this is going to give me a picture of me. I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here. Okay. Now the other thing I want to do is I want to keep that little picture of me in the corner of you when you do it. So we're going to hit View and go down to Float on Top. Okay, and that will keep it on top when I open up other things here. For example, I can go over here and I got my notes, I got a problem, math problem, here's the calculator, whatever it is you want to do, it will be recording. So it's recording all of this with that and then me in the background. Alright, so that's what you're going to do, and you're going to make whatever video lesson you're going to do. And then you're going to save it. So up at the top there's an icon here for that one for my screen recording for the QuickTime. Okay, and once I've got that, then I can save it, hit file, save, save it somewhere, on your desktop or wherever you want. Okay, you can choose where to put it. I'm just going to put it on my desktop. And getting problems because it already had that name or something. So anyway, there it's saving it. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to go to my YouTube channel and upload it. So you go to your YouTube channel here. Just go back to my channel. And you're looking at this icon right here, that camera with the plus sign. You're going to add a video is what that stands for. So you click that and then you hit upload video. And then it's going to give you some choices about, where to find it. So now you just hit select file and choose, find where you put it. If it was on your desktop, choose your desktop or whatever, okay? So anyway, that is how we're going to do that. And then you just do it from there. Upload it, and yeah, that's it. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Hopefully that made some sense. And have a great night.
So if I was going to make a video with an iPad, it's an easy thing to do. You want to do what's called a screen recording first. So see that blinking red light? That's what I'd like to get to. But first, you want to go to your settings and open up your control center, and then make sure the access within apps is turned green, and then hit customize controls. And then what you're looking for is screen recording. You want the screen recording to be at the top of the screen here. See how there's a bunch of green plus signs with things at the bottom? If your screen recording is down there at the bottom with the green plus sign, hit the green plus sign to bring it up to the top. And that will add it into your control center, which is what we want, okay? So once you're in the control center, you're good. Now we're going to go back, and up at the top right corner, if you swipe down, you can get the control center to open up, and you'll see that my red light is blinking there. That's what you're looking for. Yours won't be blinking because it won't be recording, but that's how you get the iPad to record what's going on the screen. Another problem people have is often that the microphone is turned off. So to turn the microphone on, you just push and hold that same button down, and you'll see at the bottom it says microphone on, or perhaps it says microphone off. If it says microphone off, just push the button to turn it on, okay? And then you should be good to go. You can make your screen recording, just do a straight up thing. I love using Notability or anything else that you want to pull up on your screen and use. The other thing you can do is you can mirror the iPad onto your computer and then record from your computer using QuickTime like I showed earlier in the video. And if you want to do that, see where it says screen mirroring? That's what you want. You want to hit that. We're still in the control center. Hit screen mirroring, and then any computer local. I think you have to be in the same Wi-Fi system. It'll show up. So if I hit, there's my computer, my work computer. So if I hit that button, then whatever's on my iPad should get mirrored onto my computer, and from there I could do a screen recording on my computer and record it, and I could probably get I can get my picture in the corner, which is something the students like, but certainly they don't need it either. You could just do a regular recording right here from the iPad if you want. So anyway, that's how I would make a video with the iPad. Good luck.